When exploring your literature chronologically, begin by investigating the early pioneers in the field. These are the foundational studies that laid the groundwork for the development of the subject. Next, delve into progression milestones, tracing the linear progression of research. Identify key studies that mark significant advancements in understanding and methodology. Uncover turning points within the field, examining studies that signal transformative changes in perspectives and approaches. These pivotal studies represent paradigm shifts that shaped the trajectory of the discipline. When discussing studies chronologically, use the language that reflects the timeline of the research. For example, you might say, this subject was first studied by X, who argued or found the following. In a particular date, Y modified, extended, or contradicted X's work by the following. Today, research by Z represents the current state of the art as follows.